Hey YouTube, I'm gonna go over a interesting project for a septic lid, at least interesting in my opinion. So my issue is I moved into this house, let's say 18 years ago or so, and I've got a system where this is the 2-inch concrete lid, 36 inches on top of a corrugated riser. So maybe about 2.5, 3 feet down is the 24-inch actual concrete lid for the septic tank. There's problem I always had with this is one, I mean, I don't know if you can see it in here, but this has actually always been below grade. So it's always sloped down. And what I did have as a solution for years is some kind of landscaping wall around here, mulch, fountain on top. It became very cumbersome every 2 years to remove that, dig it out, remove all the heavy stuff so that I could get to this lid and have it pumped. I never liked this unsightly concrete or the fact that it's got these handles here, so I was always worried about tripping over that, kids, dogs, lawnmower, things like that. So looking at new technology now, and I'll go over the products later that I ordered. They're coming in. There's different lids that are plastic and screw in and stuff, but to use it on this is not going to work, so I have to fabricate something. What I came up with was there's this product which is a very big ring, and I'm going to use this upside down to create a smaller inner ring for me to use the other Tuf-tite adapter ring and then lid on that. So I'll go over all that with you, but again, the goal is to replace this, get a little bit of rise and lift so that I could fill in this area better and grade and slope that better and seed that, and then have a flat lid that I can ride over, walk over, and not trip, and then when it comes time to clearing out, I don't have to move mulch and fountains and stuff like that because of this big old concrete lid. So okay, this is what it looks like. Sorry, out of breath again just from moving that. It's a lot of work. So my intention is take this big ring, put it inside here. I will glue that down, screw that in. Then I'll use the other new ring adapter, which should probably go about here, and then create the new smaller inner diameter for the plastic lid that's coming. Keep you updated. Okay, YouTube, so the next step is done. What I did was I got some what they call this, construction adhesive, and I put that in. There was, if you recall, there was the double wall corrugated, and on that inner lip I put a little bead around there and then put pre-drilled and put some screws in at an angle. So this adapter ring is secure. Now I'm waiting on the Tuf-tite adapter and lid, so I will show you that next. Oh, and then the plan is to again put adhesive on here and then screw into there for the adapter plate, and then also then the lid screws into that next adapter. All right, the Tuf-tite adapter just came in. So we got this ring, and again, this is designed to go on the concrete inner ring, but I'm going to be putting it on top of that adapter. And then it goes into this lid, which, by the way, this lid is designed to accept concrete. If you want to strengthen the lid, there's a nice gasket seal there, and then that goes in there. So let's take another quick look. So this is what it'll look like. I'm going to be the reason again why I used this custom white ring was to reduce the diameter so that this ring could sit on there and then this lid could sit on that. So I may need to get a riser another inch for my lid. I'm not sure, and if that's the case, I might have to customize another piece of Tuf-tite, but we'll take a look. So again, this was screwed in. This was also sealed with concrete sealer adhesive. I'm going to do the same thing for this onto here, and then the lid does not require that, just a couple of screws. So it's turning out very well actually so far. So I went ahead, screwed this in with some, put some adhesive, put some extra screws in there. I was a little concerned about the structure being able to support weight, as there is about an inch that overhangs from the inner diameter of this. So I wasn't sure, but I think these ridges really help. I've been standing on it, everything looks good. I believe I can put even my lawn tractor over it. But it's very nice. Again, this goes on here. I'll fill dirt up to here. A couple of screws go into the top lid for safety, and here I am standing on it. It's good. Yeah, I'm impressed. I may or may not need to try to customize some kind of riser to go up another inch for that lid, but I can do that later, no problem. So yeah, I will post some links to the products I use. I'm actually really impressed with them. Highly recommend, if you want a project like this to undertake it, that you contact those companies that I have listed below. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Please help it grow. Appreciate that. Thank you. I'll show you a finished shot in a second. And here it is in its final stage. Not bad. I put about, that area required about 13 bags of topsoil. Raised it just a few inches, tried to grade it a bit better, but yeah, all in all, I think it turned out very well. So I eliminated the big concrete that was 36 inches. It's now reduced down to 24, and gets the the metal hooks that are off of that now too. Hopefully grass will fill in and it'll look like it was supposed to be that way. All right, thank you. Please consider subscribing to help the channel grow and offer more content that's hopefully helpful to people. Thank you.